Welcome. In this video I'm going to explain to you how hypnosis and hypnotherapy work. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Alfred Bellanti and I have been in practice as a clinical hypnotherapist for over 20 years. During that time I have worked on many different cases and covered many different issues. I believe the main benefit you get from seeing a hypnotherapist is that he or she helps you to figure out or resolve something that you haven't been able to figure out or resolve for yourself. Dr. Milton Erickson, a legend in the field of hypnotherapy, stated that everyone who comes for treatment comes because they are experiencing pain, be it mental, emotional, or physical. There is a psychological component to physical pain. Hypnosis has been defined as a daydream state in which we relax, drift away and make use of the resources of our unconscious minds. In a trance or dream-like state we can view our problems from a distance, remove tension, and present optimistic alternatives to ourselves. By using this method it is possible to get off the merry-go-round which occurs when we try with our conscious minds to solve unconscious puzzles. The popular misconception of the hypnotist having some sort of power to exert over a subject has now been dispelled. It is possible to learn hypnosis. Anyone of average intelligence can do. There are numerous schools, colleges and courses that will teach you this. All you need is the willingness to learn, to practice, and to apply your knowledge. In fact, learning to hypnotize is the easiest part of becoming a hypnotherapist. The key to success as a hypnotherapist is what to do with, or tell your hypnotized subject that will help to resolve that presenting problem. Remember too, that there are other ways to resolve the problem. What happens with most people is that they are stuck within a limited way of thinking, often through no fault of their own. How often have you heard someone say "that's the way I am"? And they say it so strongly so that you can't help believe that they'll ever change. Usually all it takes to resolve a problem or issue is to change the way you think about it, or the way you perceive it. Once you break it down, reframing or restructuring can take place. This then becomes the challenge for both the client and the therapist. The modern view about hypnosis is that it is a trance state, and trance states can occur spontaneously. Even now, as you're listening to this video, trance-like states can happen when you're driving your car, or watching television, or reading a book, playing a video game, and in so many other ways. Therefore, to make a hypnotherapy session work for you requires a cooperation between the hypnotherapist and yourself. You go into a trance willingly, and not because the hypnotherapist has a special power by which to hypnotize you. You cooperate with the therapist's instructions, just like you cooperate with treatment your doctor offers, and all goes well. If you think you will become unconscious, this is unlikely, and besides, you need to be awake because the hypnotherapist will often be asking you to visualize or run through certain scenarios in your mind. You could never do this if you were unconscious or totally out of it. I hope this short video will have helped to lift the veil off the mystery of hypnosis. For more information on hypnotherapy treatment available, go to http://www.hypnosissydney.net.au.